Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Welcome to the 6 p.m. video, and it's an important video. I want to be sure to let you know this is not a panic video. This is not a, oh my gosh, Katie barred the door, throw the baby out with the bathwater. But there are a few different events that are happening in our economy right now that you guys already are aware of, but you need to know how to best take advantage of it to make money in the market. And a lot of people's heads are swimming about knowing what to do. How do you hold on to the stocks that you have? Do you get into new positions? And the answer to those questions will be answered in this video, especially for the people who are holding stocks right now. I'm going to tell you to make sure you have good stops, make sure you tighten your stops, as well to lock in profits. Don't be afraid right now to lock in profits. But again, this is not a panic video in any way, shape, form, or fashion. I just want you guys to be well prepared to be on the right side of the market, number one. And number two, where should you have your money because of what's going on in the world today? All right, so with that being said, let's get right into the software. We're not doing any news today. I'm going to give you 3 ways that you need to have your money right now to consistently make money in the current market's conditions. First, starting off with Chinese stocks. World event. China's cut their interest rates by 50 basis points. Those stocks have been rocking and rolling ever since. The stocks that you see right here in this list are high market cap stocks. These are not all of the Chinese stocks, and you may know of some that may have upside potential, the whole 9 yards. I'm okay with that. But I want to look at the stocks that are the heaviestly traded. Heaviestly? Is that a good word? Well, the stocks that have big market cap to keep your eyes on. Notice that I've got 7 stocks in here. I probably should throw YINN. That looks at the whole Chinese market in one ticker symbol, and that's at the top of the list, up 8.29%, followed by JD, PDD, Alibaba, Boyd, Trip.com, Tencent, and Baidu to round off the list. And they're all buy recommendations. I was all on board to say sell the news in China, but if the economy is going to grow because they stimulated the economy, why not make money on these stocks? And again, some of the heaviestly traded by way of market cap, all of them have RTs above 1. All of them are buy recommendations. Are they the best stocks in the world? No, and there's a lot of people out there who said, I'm not trading Chinese stocks. Well, that's fine. If you don't want to, that's on you. I'm giving you a good, solid place to keep your money right now if that market is moving. You need to stay with me to the end of this video because I've got some honorable mentions of places you need to be, but I'm going to only cover 3 today. So that's the first one, Chinese stocks, and here's some good Chinese stocks for you to keep your eyes on right now. Now, the next one, well, we know that there was a port strike. That's going to affect the economy adversely. I think that that's going to put a lot of pressure on rising inflation because depending on how long this port strike lasts, we are not taking in any stuff, we're not sending out any stuff. That's going to be a problem. Again, no panic, but contra ETFs, contrarian exchange traded funds, are a great place to have your money right now, depending on how the market reacts to this strike and for how long the strike may last. So I've got some of the best ones here for you on the Qs, on the tech bear, NVIDIA, as a matter of fact. Man, oh man, who knew? I've got 2 contra ETFs on NVIDIA that are rocking and rolling. So as much as I love NVIDIA, I'm going to take what the market gives me. If it gives me an opportunity to make money to the upside by trading the contras, I'm going to take it. Now, these, depending on what else is going on, world events as well, imminent strike on Israel by Iran, that all of those things, those 2 main things are pulling the market lower. Instead of trying to short any stock, because all of our market timing is still in the up right now, instead of trying to find stocks to sell short, why not take advantage on a day-over-day basis, contra ETFs? And I say day over day because all of our market timing, for the most part, is still in an up situation. Today in the Jockey Club, we took advantage of contra ETFs. We made a little bit of money. We'll take it. Play these as the markets show themselves to be a little bit more bearish, I think this is a good way to go. And interesting how NVIDIA, which I still think is a powerhouse stock, right now is telling you maybe you need to take advantage of the opposite side of NVIDIA. All right. So let's add on to that. My third way of telling you where your money should be is with the impending growing war in the Middle East, right? Defense stocks. I've been big on defense stocks since last year when this all kicked off with the attack on Israel. So I've got some of the top defense stocks from all three defense industries, to include the electric, the manufacturers, and the OEMs, 2 from each one of the highest market cap. And here's the list. AVAV, drones. Drones are being used in a big way in this current war that's going on in the Middle East. Lockheed Martin is going to continue getting contracts along with General Dynamics, TDG, Heiko, and of course, one of my favorites is Rolls-Royce because it's such an inexpensive stock in a hot space. All have buy recommendations as well. All of the RTs are above 1. I think that every stock that I've looked at, well, let's go back to the Contras real quick. I think that every stock that I've looked at, with the exception of the Contras, because the market has been going up, Contras are on the rise, you could be in effect bottom fishing Contra ETFs if the market continues to move down. But as I stated earlier, this should be done on a day-over-day basis until the market shows more of a commitment to the movement of the downside. These are daily plays, the defense plays, and the Chinese stocks I'm all on board with taking advantage of right now. I told you if you stayed to the end, I was going to give you 2 honorable mentions. All right, another event. Hurricane Helene kicked through. North Carolina got beat like crazy in the mountains. So infrastructure stocks should be on your list as stocks to take a look at as well. Join Ryan and I tomorrow on the live stream. We're going to give you a watch list of infrastructure stocks that you need to be keeping your eyes on. You know, what else? You got Home Depot, you've got Lowe's, you've got Caterpillar. There's a lot of great stocks to take advantage of because the mountains in North Carolina will need to rebuild, and these are stocks that you want to keep on your list. And of course, with the market going the way it's going right now, gold is my other play. So my 2 honorable mentions in this space is going to be infrastructure and gold stocks. And I think later on in the week, between Ryan and I, we'll probably do a video on stocks that you could take advantage of there, or we'll talk about it in the live streams. I guess it's a good way for you to come join us on a live stream to get our insight on those 2 spaces as well. But folks, 3 spaces where you need to have your money right now. And if you like the content of this video, 1, make sure you hit the like button. But number 2, if you've got friends out there who are trading in the market, whose heads are swimming right now with all of the stuff that's going on in the market, share this video. I want us to be the voice of calm in all of this that's going on with the world events, with the crises, however you want to look at it. But it's not a panic video. I want you guys to be prepared and have your money in the right space at the right time. And these could be the right times for these 3 spaces, and along with my 2 honorable mentions as well. Again, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel and you thought that this was informative enough to help you guys stay on the right side of the market, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted. With that being said, folks, this video is over, and until the next time, see ya.